What a timely reiteration of AEO. Both of us have been on AEO. I actually, though, in my trade account, I had call options yesterday, which I sold because we had 2 consecutive down days and we broke a support level that I was looking at. Basically, I didn't like that we went below 1772. We broke the prior day's low. So I sold my call options and half of my shares. But this morning, I did double my share count again in the trade account. Don't have the call options anymore, sadly. Well, I have a few in Webull, but not in the big money. Nice timing, reiterating AEO. How did you figure today was a day? Was it because of light PPI? I mean, no, IWM's down now. Why did you think today, or was that just luck?
No, I was just looking at this, consolidating the gains from the quarter. We were both on that quarterly conference call. We both came away with the sense that the market was sort of underpricing the improvements across the board, not just the Sydney Sweeney thing and the Travis Kelce thing, but operational improvements at AEO. So what I hadn't had time to do was compare to the rest of the group. I'm a fundamental guy, so I get the story, I get the momentum, I get the positive sentiment. But how does it stack up to the rest of the group? And if you look at the multiples of the rest of the group, what does it tell you where AEO should be fairly valued? And ascribing no premium, just trading at pure multiples. I get a range that extends between 1870 and 2430. So midpoint of that range is sort of 2161 right now. That's 15%, and I think that's low. I think we get to the higher end of that range, which is sort of 30% higher from here. So, I'm talking my book because I'm long massive call position.
Ooh, massive call position. Wow. Yeah, Yosef has influenced you, I see.
But me, I go out multiple months. I'm not playing degen short-term expiry stuff. So,
well, I got it.
Anyway, yeah, there was a nice confirmation of the theory. It takes some time to put these tables together, and you have a thesis, but does it actually ring true? Does it pass mustard? And I've done the number now. I just wanted to have conviction because the position was so large.
New high right now.
I came away from the analysis with higher conviction.
Yeah, and if you pull up the monthly chart, I've been saying I think this year it could take 5, 6, 7 months, but I think we're going to head to a little bit. I have higher targets than you. I think we're going to 25 to 35 based on the cycle here. And
my fundamental target is first up is $24.
That's the fundamental, but then you got to layer on a sentiment premium, and you can speculate that the fundamentals will get even better, right? Because of the relationship, ongoing partnership with Sydney Sweeney and Travis Kelce. Put it all together, speculating about better fundamentals than you're even modeling, plus a sentiment premium on top of that, plus look at the monthly chart. And my target is 25 to 35, but I think it could take months to get there. So I do have a nice size position in my retirement account. But man, I wish I didn't sell my call options yesterday in my trade account. Look at this. We're coming up at that high, 1902.
Ben, look at HIMS.
I don't want to look at it. I sold the news at the open like the plan was, and it keeps on going. HIMS 51. Yeah, we played this. We knew the news was coming based on some hints that were dropped on social media. I don't know. I didn't think it was too significant. I sold the open, made a little bit of money, but it keeps on going. But in any case, I was looking for a short-term target of $20 on AEO, which again, the last 2 candles, I got disappointed. I'm like, I got to get out of these weekly calls, or maybe they expired next week actually. But they weren't. They were like $18 strike. So I didn't even need to reach 20, but these 2 candles shook me out. My original re-rate after that news was $20. Maybe we get there. If we break 1902, we can maybe see $20 next day, same day, like pretty quickly. So anyway, that's my target.
By the way, stretch targets on EV to sales, pure EV to sales, where the premium names are trading, like Boot Barn, etc., it gets you to 32, 34.
There you go.
So that's sort of stretch targets.
That fits right into that monthly chart. Is just gorgeous. Okay, that's AEO.